channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, and today I am back with another tutorial. Today I'll be doing a brow tutorial using all Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I got a few items in their PR package, so I'm excited to share some of the items that I got, and I'm going to do a brow tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you know when I upload. A few items that I received was the popular brow freeze. You guys, if you don't have the brow freeze, you truly do need it. It's extra holding, so it will keep your hairs in place for when you want that editorial look, or if you just want to set those hairs in place. This is an awesome product to have. Some other items that they sent me were, I have the highlighting duo pencils. So I do have two shades. I have the matte shell lace shimmer, and I have the sand shimmer. So these are some of their brow highlighters. Two Perfect brow pencils. I got medium brown and dark brown. These are the brow pencils. I got the infamous clear brow gel. I did get two of the powder duos. So I have the chocolate brow duo and ebony. So ebony is going to be darker, and then I have the chocolate brow duos. These are also good for filling in your brows. I am going to try one out today. I also have the brow definers. I have that in chocolate and dark brown. I did get a few of the brow pencils. So this is for the dip brow. And the dip brow that I'm going to use today is the dark brown, which is this. So if you want a more defined brow or a more strong brow, then you would use the dip brow. I also did get the brow gel, and this one is in chocolate, so I'll be using that as well. And then I received two of the Pro pencils. These are eyeshadow primer and color correctors. So I got the shade Base 2 and Base 3, as you can see here. So I'm going to see which one I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Start off with, I think I'm going to try using the brow freeze last. Usually I use the brow freeze first, but sometimes I feel like depending on the product, it kind of doesn't stick on as well, so I'm not sure. I don't know if it's more so you need to use a dip brow, something cream, that works fine, but if it's a pencil, I feel like it doesn't really work as good. So let's start off with, I'm gonna start off with the dip brow. So let's get that going. Again, I'm using dark brown. I'm gonna go in with the pencil, the brush, and number 14. And I'm going to brush my hairs in place. So I'm going to start at the bottom and kind of just lightly draw like a line. And my brows are not done, so it's going to look a little crazy. And just outline it. Try to fill it in with the chocolate brow duo. I'm gonna use the lighter shade first and see what that does. So I'm just going to fill that in the front and then move that towards the bottom. Next, I'm going to use the brow gel. This one again is in chocolate. So instead of the brow freeze, I'm going to use a brow gel today. I'm just going to comb that through. And then we're going to try base number 2. So I am going to draw a line here to kind of outline my brows. I use base number 2 and I'm going to mix it with base number 3. So as you can see, that highlighter is popping. So I'm just going over that, and then I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers so that it melts into my skin. I am going to clean up the top of my brow now, and I'm going to use some of the Magic Concealer. We are all done with a quick brow tutorial, and this is the final brow. So this is before and then this is after. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick brow tutorial using some updated products. Thank you so much, Anastasia Beverly Hills, for sending me these products. I love this line. I love the concealers. I love everything. So I'm truly grateful to receive these products, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just let me know what else down in the comments that you might want to see. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.